Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are installing aftermarket LED indicators on the Street Triple. Check it out. Okay, so as always, we're missing a few things. So before we start, a quick trip to our local hardware store and we're gonna get right to it. So we picked up some heat shrink tubing and some little washers. We're going to use them as spacers. So let me talk you through what we're going to do. So we're going to start off with the one side of the bike, make sure everything fits up, everything works perfectly. Then we're going to jump onto the other side and take it from there. So let's get to it. I tried to attach the indicator to the black panel, but the RX panel, the red panel that comes over the side, is actually, it's got a bracket in that the old indicator used to attach to, and that is actually also used to hold that panel down. So I'm seeing if I can attach it to the red panel with that bracket and then see if it fits on. So let's get to that first. Okay, we've got a quick test fit on there. As you can see, it's extremely small compared to the other one. So we're gonna put it on and see how bright it is and if it works. Okay, the test worked. So obviously it's blinking erratically, but when we do the back ones, we're gonna add the resistors, or the whatever you call it, so that the blinking will be as it should be, regular. But it seems everything fits up, so now I know what to do and we're gonna just jump in and do the rest. So here we go. That took longer than I thought. There's quite a bunch of fiddling figuring out how to get this thing connected and the bracket to hold everything together. Anyway, got it sorted, so now I know what to do. Let's jump onto the next one and on the other side, the other front one, and then we'll move to the back. Yo, that's a massive difference in the front. It's super small, you can hardly see it. It's so tucked into the body, it looks fantastic, but they are bright enough that you will see them, so it's looking good.
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on baby, you should take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze, roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on baby, you should take my hand.
Damn, and the back was quite difficult actually. I had to take the panels off to get, there's a little bolt in the middle which is difficult to get to, and then there was a little bracket holding the tidy tail on, which I had to take off with this whole thing. So it's all disassembled at the moment. Hopefully I can remember how it goes back together, but now I can put the indicators on and that should go a lot easier. Okay, so you see I had to put these little L-shaped brackets on because the LED indicators are so small, they don't get past the back of the number plate. This is our standard number plate size here in South Africa. I can go smaller, get a custom one, but that, if I get pulled over, is illegal. So rather stick with the standard size one. But these little L-shaped brackets are just going to move the indicators slightly out so that they pass the side of the number plate. So it should work fine.
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on baby, you should take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze, roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on baby, you should take my hand.
They are on, finally. The back ones are on, they're looking good. They are super small, they just barely stick out behind the number plate, so it's very sleek. And okay, so it's time to put in those resistors, button up the wiring, check if they work, and then put everything back together again. It is done finally. It only took me like 2 hours to get this done. Put on some indicators, but it's all sorted. It works. I buttoned up the wiring. Everything's good. Now I gotta see how to put the panels back together. See if I can sort that out. And then we should be good to go. What an install, guys. It took a little while, took longer than I thought it would. There was a lot of fiddling, a lot of back and forth, trying to see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, you know, take it off, try something else, add a washer, space it out, you know, all that. But anyway, we got it done. It looks great. I mean, it is literally not even half as big as what the old ones used to be. So it looks fantastic. It's really sleek. And I hope you liked this install. If you did, hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel for more content, and then I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.